Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. It's a beautiful day in the Virgin Islands, and I am going on a little adventure. So I figured I would take you guys with me. I can't take you on the drive because I don't have a car mount right now, so I don't want to make it too much of a habit to be holding the phone while I'm driving, but I'm gonna take a little drive up the road to do something very simple, but I consider it to be adventurous because I haven't done it in a very long time. I can't get on a plane right now, or I rather not. I don't like hot sun, so I ain't getting on a boat to go nowhere right now. So today I'm taking you guys to the car wash with me. Petrus Plaza car wash in Fish Bay, across from International Motors, right before you get to Clarence Thomas Limited on the left. So yeah, see you soon. Car wash experience in the BVI, guys. I haven't driven through a car wash since I don't even know, because even when I lived in the States and I had access to driving car washes, I never used to wash my car. I buy silver vehicles on purpose because silver vehicles don't show dirt. Like the dirt don't show like other cars. That's not true. If you don't like washing cars and you just want a car that looks nice all the time, get a silver vehicle. Sometimes I went months without washing my car. Anyway, I'm waiting in line at Petrus Plaza's car wash to get my baby washed. It hasn't been washed since God knows. God no, I don't even know. Probably February. Whenever my oil change was. I have synthetic oil, so I think it was February or March. April, May, June. I ain't ready for oil change yet. So I'm here at the entrance, and they just put something on my tire. I didn't tell them that I wanted to pay for a tire wash or not, but the boy told me driving, so I just paid. I just followed the instructions. Now the next one is here, spraying it down. It's exciting. I can't wait to reach inside. I have not been in a car wash like this in over 10 years. At least 10 years. If you haven't been, it's $17 for the basic package, $19 if you want your tires and some turbo, some body. I don't know what it means, so I can't even repeat it. And then I think it includes a wax. And then $21 or $22 for the full Monty. I think they clean inside.
Hello, good morning.
Hi.
What you do, in and out or just outside?
Just outside.
You have 17 and 19. 17 is a quick wash, 19 is a wash and wax.
I don't need wax.
So 17.
Mm-hmm.
Sure. Cash or card?
Card.
Hey. With that card machine.
The machine ain't working?
Yeah. You think I bring out
That machine ain't working?
Yeah.
So why he just let me use it?
You don't take card? No. Cause right, if you start you right, all your time going run out. I feel like we got wash out outside, you know what I mean?
Okay.
So we didn't want you pay and your time run out and then you got pay again. You know what I mean? So
Then I need to fix the timer.
nah man. Still.
Can I get extra work?
Ain't extra work. It's something simple but nothing hard. Hold on man.
Okay, so you heard him. 17 for the wash, 19 if you want wax added. There is a machine for you to pay on your own, but if you pay, then the timer starts and it looks like they don't want to do the little extra stuff before it starts up. So they're doing it manually where he is putting in the card payment himself.
Hey.
We're driving in. We're driving in. We're driving in. I'm inside. Look. Hold on, my claustrophobia kicking in. Calm down. Calm down, Juanita. I'm claustrophobic to an extent. I don't like being closed in. This is kind of cool though. I opened up the sunroof so you could see. So I could see. Is it done? What's cool about this one for me is that it's touchless. So there are no, I don't even know what you call those things, but there's nothing touching the car. It's basically just water and air. Soap, water, air, like there's nothing touching the car. And I'm done. I feel like my glass don't break. Something coming off, got you holding it down at the end. So that's it. Now I'm gonna get wipe off, I guess, and that's it. Okay, so now we're in the area where they're wiping it down and they just give me a nice wipe off. My music changed. My vehicle like, I don't know when last I get clean, thank you! Thank you for cleaning me. I am so happy. I don't know if it had enjoyed the air though at the end. I feel like some things might have get lift up. Cause this is a 2008 and I've been through some things, you know. Nevertheless, I would recommend this. It's quick. You don't have to get out your vehicle and you get a nice full wash. Full. Nothing complicated, and that's all I want. And I don't need wax because my paint job is not the greatest. So for me, wax is a waste of time, waste of money, even if it's just $2. Alright, that's it. Field trip over. Bye. I just want to document for you guys why I don't wash my car. Truck full of dirt in front of me on the highway as I'm driving back home, and he's spilling dust all over, like dust in the air everywhere. So I had to basically slow down so that the dust don't fly back at me. And it's like you could only do so much dodging, and not even just that truck, but like it's dust everywhere on Tortola. So I am not washing a vehicle every minute. I'll probably wash my vehicle again in another 3 months. And honestly, the only reason I washed it is because there was some guys in the yard cutting the grass, and they didn't tell me, and I didn't get to move my vehicle, so I had grass and all kind of things all over, trench through the underneath the car and all over the place. So it had looked really bad. It had looked like my car been derelict. So that's why I decided to wash it. But kudos to y'all that spend money washing cars every week, every other week. I don't see the benefit, honestly, because as you clean it, it's dirty again. But anyway, do y'all do, I gonna do mine later.